Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing, and it's a printer. I think it's called the Epson 7700 EcoTank, and the reason I bought it is because me and my wife both do a lot of printing. My wife likes to do lots of photos and stuff, and wanted something that would give me good quality print. I've read quite a few reviews on this, and I thought, wow, yeah, that sounds alright. It's quite expensive. I paid about £500 for this, so it's not the cheapest printer out there. And there is dearer ones, obviously, but for what I want it to do, I want to do online printing, so I can send it, you know, like an email print, and it will print out for me. So if I'm out and about and I want to send a photo, it will just print it out for me, as long as I put the email address in and that. You can do printing from your phone and that. Well, I think it can do emails. I'm pretty sure it can. I used to use a Workforce, Epson Workforce it used to be called, or is called, but it's not very good on the high quality printing. So I wanted something that was going to do me the high quality print. So that's why I bought this. So with that, let's get on with the unboxing. So I have a new knife to try out. It's got a little cover on it so you don't cut yourself. Go gently along there. Bought this from Amazon. Like I say, £500 exactly. It also comes with, or it says it comes with, equivalent of 2 years supply of ink, which would be interesting to see. So I just put the cover back on my blade, because obviously I don't want to cut myself. I was a bit worried when the delivery man turned up with this, because he just chucked it straight on the floor. I thought, does he know what's in here? You know what I mean? It's a bit scary. So, bit of packaging, nicely packed. So you've got a box within a box. Oh, better move that forward. I'll show you as it is in the box. Have a look. So there you go. A box in a box. Nice big box. So well looked after. You see that all right? Let's have a look. Right, yeah, I'm sure you can see that. So, Epson exceeds your vision. So it's an ET 7700 EcoTank. Like I say, it comes with this tank on it. So you've got 5 inks. So you've got your basic black, and then your 3 colours, and then you've got a print black to do better quality printing. So that's what it looks like. Show you around the box, because I like to do that anyway. See that? Nice good handles on it, you know, folding it up. Yeah, it looks alright. Got a load of different languages on the back, which I'm not going to bother reading. So, shall we get on with the unboxing then? I'll move the camera a bit closer so you get a proper look at it. Right, so here we go then. Get my knife out again. Give it a little cut. So, put my little cover on. I think I might prefer the other one actually. I think I'm going to cut myself. So let's get up. Let's see what you get for your money. So what's it saying there? Transport. Blah blah blah. Nothing much there. What's this over here? Different languages. Please read the following. The user documentary when using this product. Well, we will. Right. Yeah, this is one of the reasons I bought this. You see that? See the size of these? Like I say, it's supposed to come with approximately 2 years supply of ink. So that's one of the reasons it's so expensive. You pay a lot of money initially, but you save money in the long run. So You get, what'd you get there? What's that? I don't know what that is. I'm sure I'll find that. It's probably a I think it might be one of the ink tanks. You have to probably fit them in. So we'll get the bits and bobs out. So this is cyan. So that's cyan. That was your yellow. Yeah, it's yellow. As I'll get them out, I'll put them down here. Yellow. You've got your, looks like a tank. Maybe. Yeah, you've got a bit of packaging here. Move that. It's got some more inks here. So this is your photo black. See that? Photo black. So that's photo black. And then you got your black, just like for doing your letters and that. Any text. So photos, text for quality. It's quite big, that one. And what we've got here, we have another yellow. So we've got two yellows. And there's another one. Another cyan. So we've got two yellows, two cyans. What's this baby? Magenta. There's a magenta. Got any more in there? Oh, what's this one here? And it should be another magenta. Yeah, it's another magenta. So you can see, you know, so that's allegedly that's the equivalent. So it should be another black, I would have thought. Can't see. Oh, what's this? Oh, yeah. Tucked in down there. Oh, it's another black, another ordinary black. So look at the size of them babies. And this should be the photo black. There you go. Yep, it's the photo black. See that? So there's your ink. So you get two of each. And they're saying that's the equivalent of 2 years supply of ink. So I think it does say stupid like 14,000 bits of paper or something. But I can't tell you exactly. So let's get the printer out, shall we? Chuck that on the floor. Chuck that on the floor. Nicely packaged, which is what you want. So what you got? You've got your instructions with a CD, and obviously your power lead, which is a basic two pin connection. I'll move the box out of the way. Stick it on the floor. So that's done. So let's have a look. There you've got that. So what you got in here? Obviously you're going to have a CD. I will use the CD because they do update, so I know a lot of people like to download the latest drivers off the internet to update, but which I do, but I like to put in whatever comes with the packaging first, and then update from there. It's just as easy, plus you got a better chance of not getting it wrong. So you get software disk, yeah? So it'll probably have some photo software in there for you to help you along. I would have thought. We'll soon see. And then obviously you got what's this little baby? Start here. And then you got for users in Europe, safety information of the ink under EU regulations. This ink may contain one or more of the substances above, may cause an allergic reaction. Sorry. For more information, consult the safety data. Well, I'm not going to worry about that. Sorry. Epson exceeds your vision information booklet. And there's probably a load of crap in here, but they don't do these for nothing. Won't read that. We'll plug in the CD later, obviously. And what else got here? This would be setting it all up, basically. Yeah, about taking that one, removing the protective materials. There you go. And there, if you see that, it shows you how to put the inks in up there. But obviously there might be a video on there. I have put some videos on YouTube already, so hopefully I know what I'm doing. But I will read the instructions, spend a bit of time. Right, let's have a look at the printing then, shall we? Again, nicely packaged. Can't see any damage initially, which is always a bit worrying, especially when you chucked it on the floor like you did. So Where's the front end? That's the back, I think. No, that's the front. I've got that wrong. So there's the front. Right, remove that. Come on. Take that off. Remove that. Oh, that's quite nice. Quite a nice finish. So little bubbles, you know what I mean? So yeah. So here's your scanner. My workforce printer is an A3 size, and this is an A4. I never used the A3 size, so I thought I might as well go back to the A4. But there, yeah, like I said, there's your ink tank, which I will read up later. Obviously, I don't want to break it, do we? Does that all lift up? Yeah, there you go. There you go. So you got print in black, then you've got your 3 colours, and then your basic black in there. And basically, I think the way they work, you shouldn't be able to go wrong in putting the wrong colours in, because they have different connections. I think I might be wrong on that, but there's something about it anyway. So there it is. There's your unboxing. Oh, see, that's quite a nice little adjustment there. So I'll set it all up, and I will do a couple of prints, and I will show you what the prints look like. Right, so there you have it. That is my unboxing of the ET 7700 Epson printer. It's a printer scanner. Like I said, I think you can do it online. You can do it straight from your phone and other things. And I do believe it's got a yeah, card reader, so it reads from the card, and USB. It's got USB on there. I thought it was. Like I say, when you fill these up, you should see the ink in there, how high they are, which is, I think, nice. So yeah, if you have any comments about my video, please put them below. I will stick some links in my description in case you decide you want to buy one. Like I say, it's not the cheapest on the market. £500 is quite expensive. Probably a lot of people won't want to buy that. But for me, it was about the quality and the long term, because like I say, it should save me money in the long term rather than in the short term. So if you can afford to splash out, according to Epson, you will save quite a bit of money. And I've watched some other videos on YouTube, and they say, some of them worked it out, and they say yes, you do save money in the long term. Like I say, so I should set it all up and see how we get on. I'll either do another video and add it to this so that it's a link, or if this one isn't too long, I'll put it all together, because I know you people might get bored. So anyway, like I said, if you've got any comments, please post them below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thank you for watching.